Oh, goodness. Oh, the yawns have begun. There they are. Okay. Getting right back into the game. We were in the minor caves. That's right. Oh, there's a big thump thump. There's also trees here. Seems weird. I forgot Egbert's with us too. Alright, did you know? Oh, it didn't count. Excuse you, Streamlabs. Very important, must fix. Oh, the motorcycle gang is outside. Hang on. This must be fixed. For it is very important. But I am bad at the things. Let's see. Because I don't use Nightbot, so it's a little different. Play specified counter. No, I want it to count. I need you to do the thing, please. First, bitch. Oh, I went too far. Motorcycle gang. Oh. Wait. Oh. Wait, did I do it right then? Let me, okay. I think I see the problem. I am also very excited for this game. I was thinking about it last night. I almost streamed more last night before bed. Nope, that didn't work. I am bad at the things. Let's see. Let me. No. That. Okay, I'm gonna Google real quick. It's very important. Because I'm pretty sure I did it right, but it's not counting, and I don't know why. OBS. Counter. No, I don't want a YouTube. Don't want YouTube video. Dribbles. Because this is dumb, because I could do a plus on the end of it. And that apparently might work. Oh, no, I think I see what I did wrong. Wait. Close. You. Let's see. There we go. I fixed it. I did the thing. We're good. I am smart. Because I feel like streaming this early in the morning, a yawn counter is very appropriate because I yawn a lot from about now until noon. So, thank you. Alright, we used to host the flock down in these caves. It was the biggest and grandest ceremony of all. The good old days. How do buttons work? Alright. Don't mind me, I'm really busy. Meow. Alright. I did it. Alright. That was unexpected. All the puns. Oh yeah, this game is full of them. It's ridiculous. Okay. I forgot how many notes I found. Don't mind me, I'm really busy. Okay, can't go that way, so let's... See, I get like stuck on the walls randomly. I know my controller is working just fine. It's not me. Okay. Let's go. Oh, wait, what's this way? Oh, right. So this is this was the point where Joe gave up. Was this puzzle in particular? I remember very well. Because this is where it truly became a puzzle, so to speak. In that it wasn't a puzzle that bad. It's fine. All right. Okay, cool. I was like, how do you make Egbert stay? Oh boy. Nailed it. Let's go, Egbert. All right, you fix the elevator. Wait, why did it stop halfway? Oh, come on. Can't jump that high like you. All right.
But I'm hoping that you'll stick around.
Hi, Shani. Ooh-woos. Thank you for the follow. How are you this morning? Yeah, this only looks mildly puzzled. Yeah. Oh, can I not help him or? Egbert. Buddy. What are you doing? Buddy, come down here. What? Oh, well, actually, I mean, can I? Yeah, Egbert, come here. Oh, well, that was That's not what I was expecting it to actually go the other way. Good, pretty exhausted, nauseous and stuff. Oh no, I hope you feel better soon, Shani. I'm sorry you don't feel good. That's never fun. Oh, gotcha. Gotcha. Well, I mean, to be fair, I've heard sometimes it does go away sooner, so... My sister, when she was having her baby, I think she was only sick for, like, the first few months, and then it went away. But I know everybody's different. There we go. Alright. So I can't make that go any higher, apparently. Let's go, Egbert. But I'm good. I'm tired. I am sleepy. Yeah. The realization kicked in real fast. Okay. Alright. Nope. Yeah. There we go. Don't mind me. Alright. Yep. Hi. I don't know what these crystals are good for, but I don't really care either as long as they fetch a good price. Also sleepy, woke up every couple hours. Yeah. I know that feeling. Oh, wait. That's a big I don't want to go up yet, because I think that's the way out. And is Burb too cute? Yes. And yeah, his name is Burb, and it's adorable. Crystals, yeah, we recently got a large order for him. What's so special about them? Beats me, they're awful hard though. They make a quite nice echo when you hit them right too. Jeez, wow. Words are hard. There we go. All right. Oops. You guys catch up on some sleep soon. Oh, that would be wonderful. I mean, I don't sleep well most of the time anyway. And I just moved into a new place by myself, so there's also the whole like getting used to being on my own thing. Sleep is for the weak. It truly is. Oh, wait. Okay, oops. Ow! I can hit him on the head. I was like, please don't hit him on the head again. Nailed it. Yeah, did it. I done did it. I'll get the sleep back eventually. We'll see. There's still a song note somewhere. Okay, that's the way I'm supposed to go, I think. So let's go back real quick. Follow the steps. These things that I am moving. Oh. No! You dick. Oh my, he keeps getting stuck on the side. Alright. I hate offbeats. Ah. Come on. Stop getting stuck. There we go. Hidden feather. Worth. I still want to know where the last fucking note that I'm looking for is before I go anywhere. Oh. I will find it. It will be mine. Got that. Alright, let's go up. Ooh. I like how they managed to make the mine like creepy but haunting and nice all at the same time. All good, Kim. Get you that coffee. Feel like I should be able to get in there. Oh. There's got to be a way to make this go up. Excuse me. I forgot to mute. And I cleared my throat. Egbert, buddy. I already did that though, and it didn't work. So don't know. I don't know how to get in there. Alright, let's go where we're supposed to. Might solve something. Oh. That's a big bird. Oh. Okay, sure. Oh. See? It solved itself. Ooh, apple. What's this way? This cave gives me the creeps. I could have sworn I heard someone repeat after me a bunch of times. It sounded just like me, too. It was clear to be an echo, but if it wasn't, then what was it? let's... I don't know what I'm supposed to do with Apple, but I'm gonna push it over here. You. Oh, Big Bird. In remembrance of the songbirds, under the light of the heavenly host lays the remnants of past stories untold. Only but their songs remain as waning ghosts, the passing of the songbirds a tragedy to behold. Are we a songbird? Wonder. Knock knock. Oh, Big Bird. Hello, what's wrong? Oh, you gave me a fright. Don't sneak up on me like that. Oh no, I didn't mean to scare you. Oh no. Oh no, I was not prepared. I'm not singing. No song. No song for me. That's a wonderful song. Where'd you learn it? Oh, I heard it when I was still just an egg. Are you feeling better? Sorry, I can't help it. I thought you were here to make fun of me too. Make fun of you? Is that why you were crying? Yes. Recently I kept hearing some birdie laughing at me. They cackle at me from the shadows, but when I turn to look, all I hear are the ruffle of feathers and they disappear. The way you read the dialogue out loud reminds me of Night in the Woods. Oh! I have not played that game, but I watched Jacksepticeye play it and it was super cute. That's horrible. We'll go take a look around. I like unintentionally give some of these birds like accents and stuff that I'm not intending to do. So it's more of like an accidental thing than me actually trying. But hey, if it works, it works. We'll find whoever's been making fun of you. Cheer up, okay? Thank you so much. I'm Cassie. What's your name? I'm Burb, and this is my pal Egbert. Well, Burb and Egbert, please be careful. I think the laughter came from above to the east. You might be able to find them if you glide up the updraft behind me and keep going right. I'm Burb. I love Burb. He's great. May the music guide your wings. He also starts jamming. Here, I'm gonna go this way. Burb, please. No, you're not gonna jam today. He usually does a little dance, and I'm sad now. Burb, why have you forsaken me? Okay, I can't go this way. Cool. I don't have the song note that I need, so we're going the right direction. Whee! Cute. Jellyfish. Save. I love him so much. Game is super cute. There it goes. There he goes. You do big jam. You do a big dance. Burb is me. Fuck, that's cute. Yes, it is. He's just so cute. I love it. This game is fantastic. Vice Paradise. Oh. I found a Joe bird. They have top hats. I take picture. Because I'm gonna set that to him because they're wearing top hats. Phew. Finally, my shift's done. Now it's time to party. Hell yeah. Finally saved enough bird seeds to come visit this place. Wait. Excuse? Bird seed thing? Wait, did we see these guys? Did we? No, we didn't get this far. At least I don't remember this. And oops. Oh. Oh. Oh, all right. Oh, I fucked up. Okay. Yep. I should have just gone with my instincts on that one. Back with 100% more coffee and bagel. Hell yeah! Sounds amazing. We're doing a puzzle. And we found birds with top hats. And they're fantastic. We also found a giant burb. And we're helping them now. I did it! Look at him! Look at him in his top hat! The fanciest fucking birds ever! I love them. I can't talk to that one though. Have you tried Birdjack? It's surprisingly easy to win compared to Burkerat. Oh. What is happening on the TVs below me? Are you telling me Joe missed the top hat birds because he gave up on an easy puzzle? That's exactly what I'm telling you. Alright. Step right up, step right up. Get your tickets here. The best club around. Hello, can I have a party ticket? Of course. That'll be a small payment of 1 million bird seed. Living for Joe missing stuff. It's okay. I'm gonna send him the picture. I took a picture, so. What? But I don't have any bird seeds. That's too bad then. Yeah, it fucking is. What do you want me to do about it? So there's Applechick. We're lost. There's Owl. They're wanted. And someone's missing. Hey kid, fancy a party? It's the best place to be. Aha. Hang on. Look at all of these birds. Okay, Jeff Bezos, or rather Jeff Birdzos. Alright. Cool.